Good morning, forensic students. It's Mr. Barone. It is April 8th, 2020 at about 9:50 in the morning, almost 10 o'clock. I'm actually currently holding my office hours. You guys see here, no one's here, but that's okay. If you have any questions, you can email me or you can drop by my office hours. I pretty much have office hours Monday through Thursday. So if you ever have any questions, you can jump in. All right, really quick. I have posted your next unit. We are going to be doing online learning C, which will be ballistics and firearms. Mr. Telesco and I put together 3 more units, and we are in the process of putting them together. We had originally thought about giving each of you guys your own choice as to which of those 3 you would want to cover, but it was going to be logistically a little bit more challenging for us. So we decided just to go with ballistics. If you would like to have covered a different topic other than ballistics, we will probably get to it in 2 weeks. We still think there's a chance that we'll still be doing this online learning then. So after we're done with ballistics, we'll go to the next unit. So if you didn't want to do ballistics and firearms, you will just go through it for the next 2 weeks, and then we'll be on to the next topic. Okay? But I have posted it, and before I go through and show you what it looks like, I wanted to talk you through a couple of things. First of all, one of the bigger differences from this unit from the last one will be that Mr. Telesco and I are going to post the assignments in 2 separate sections. The first section, which you have a week to finish, will be strictly the textbook, the guided notes. So you're going to read the chapter in the textbook about ballistics and firearms, and you're going to answer the corresponding guided notes. You need to complete that task by Wednesday, Wednesday, April 15th at midnight. So this first part of the unit is due at midnight, and that's to make sure that you guys go through the book first, that you get the background information that you need to know, and submit it within a week. So Mr. Telesco and I will grade that separately. And then once we get that Wednesday, since science is only posting on Google Classroom on Mondays and Wednesdays, that same Wednesday, we will post the second part of this project. Similar to the first one, you will get a series of choices in which you choose from. Unlike the first one, you'll probably have to do fewer. We're thinking about only doing one of the additional extra projects or one of the additional extra assignments for the ballistics and firearms unit. So the first part, you're going to do the guided notes. The second part, after Wednesday, you're going to get a menu of choices, a bunch of different videos or articles or podcasts to access, and you're going to write a response. But you'll only have to choose one, it looks like. Okay, so that won't be until next week. All right, so that's the assignment. I'll open it up really quick. So the instructions are here. Again, it says it's the first half of our next unit. It's ballistics and firearms. Again, we're dividing it into 2 parts. This first part, everything you see here is part 1. These are your guided notes. So everything you need to do part 1 is in this assignment. Okay? Like I said, it probably looks a little different from you on your end, but this is part 1. This is due, again, a week from today at midnight. Now, for the textbook, you have the guided notes here. That will be each one of you having a version of that with your name on it. So you're going to fill that in and you're going to turn it in. You need to click turn it in by Wednesday at midnight, and that tells me that you finished it. Okay, so you are going to write in all of your answers in the guided notes. The textbook that you're going to read. So we had a little bit of a thing here, and this is the last thing I want to clarify, then I'll end this video. The textbook, the chapters came out a little bit blurry. So this is only about 10, it's about 10 pages. I don't know, it's either 8, 10, or 12 pages long. So we have chapter 17, which is the chapter on ballistics and firearms. Okay, it's only about, like I said, we'll call it 10 pages. That's pretty a small file. It's easy to open up. If you guys are doing this on your phone, you'll be able to access it on your phone pretty easily. But like I said, it came out a little bit blurry. On my computer, I can still easily read it, but it might bother some people, or maybe you can't see it. It's really up to each individual person. If that's too difficult for you to read, we've also posted the entire book in PDF. Now, if you were doing this work on a laptop or a computer or even like a tablet of some sort, you can probably access this chapter by going to the whole book. Keep in mind, the whole book is about 400 or 500 pages long. So when you go to open this up, it can be really slow. So you probably won't be able to open it up on your phone because then you can't swipe up and down because you go through like 50 pages with one swipe. So if you're doing this on your phone, I'm going to ask you to use the Chapter 7, Ballistics and Firearms PDF. If you're using a computer, you might find it easier to open up the whole book and just go to chapter 17. Just scroll through, find the page number, and then just read it from there. Okay, so that's it, guys. The extra activities that are dealing with ballistics and firearms will be posted next Wednesday, and then there'll be the second part. You'll be able to choose a podcast. You'll be able to choose a video that we post, and you're going to be able to watch it, listen to it, or read it and respond to it. So we'll give you a menu of choices that you guys can cover that will also cover ballistics and firearms. All right, guys, that's it. If you have any questions, I have my office hours are just about to end, but you can join me in my office hours tomorrow at 12:30. And just like I said, you can also email me anytime. All right, that's it, guys. I hope you have a great day. Oh, before I leave, really quick, hopefully you didn't click close there. Make sure if you did not already yet turn in your drugs and toxicology project that you do that, okay? So in addition to having a week to work on this, you have the rest of that week, if you finish this early, to work on the drugs and toxicology unit, as well as any other missing work from the third quarter. All right, guys, that's it. Have a great day.